I just shot a 6-point. Either a 6-point or 8-point. And he lay down there. It's about 40 yards from where I shot him. His head's still moving. But I got him pretty good right in the vitals. Right behind the shoulder. His head is still moving though. He shouldn't last too long. Shot him at 20 yards. He ran another 20. And he dropped. But he won't die. He just kept moving yet. I'll sit here and wait to see if give him another 10, 15 minutes. Otherwise I have to go put another arrow in him.